How's it going, guys? It's Tech, and today we're doing a teardown video of this Vodacom Kicka 3. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because the screen is broken and it needs to be replaced. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Tech, and let's get into this teardown. Now, I did not do a durability test because I'm not rich. These phones, I need to keep them. Hopefully I'll fix the screen soon and I'll use it as my secondary smartphone to write scripts on it. That's why I really want to fix this phone really quickly, because it fell in water and then the screen now, it works, but it's just that all the pixels are not showing. It needs to be replaced basically. So let's get into it. So what you will need, I made myself a screwdriver, makeshift, but if you get yourself a small little star screwdriver, it won't be a problem. So now when you open the device, it's very simple. You just at the back here, yeah, it's very simple. You just flip the back, remove the battery, remove this SIM tray, which I'm using it on my main phone right now that is recording. Remove that. My SD card slot is in my other phone, which I'll show you guys in another date. And then here you have 4 screws here that you need to take out first. You don't need to really make your own screwdriver like I did. And the trick here with the screws, you have to tap on this battery thing to hold the screws in place. So, yeah. And now once you removed all 4 screws, then you just pry it open, because it's kind of difficult to use. You're gonna hear the clicking sound and then it will open. So now, as you can see, now that it's open, you've got your front facing camera, which is a 0.3 megapixel camera. You can remove that. Just open it on top. Here's the camera. Put that to the side, and then make sure that you don't cut these volume and power buttons, because they're very important. As you can see here, you need to remove this for the speaker, the front facing speaker, so that you don't break it if you just pull everything out. So you need to take that out, and then comes the light. So there's another screw here that holds the motherboard to the actual screen on the other side, so you need to remove that before you do anything else. Now once you've removed the front facing speaker, remove the screw, then you can now remove the motherboard from the actual screen. So yeah, let's do it. So now once you've removed everything, it's not going to be easy, when it's the first time. It took me a little bit of a while to get it from, because there's an adhesive here that holds the screen case. I don't know if you can see it. Focus in on that. I don't know if you can see it. There's an adhesive here holding the screen case to the screen so that it doesn't crack or anything like that. But it's fine. And then once you do that, here's the front facing 0.3 megapixel camera. This one, focusing, this one is your rear facing camera at 4 megapixels. Now back to the phone. Now to open the screen, it's fairly simple. You just need to, there are some divots here that you need to pry out gently, because this is a screen and screens can crack even though the screen is working, so you don't want to mess it up even more. Now as you can see, the screen can be removed. Now I'll have to remove here to remove the screen and then get it fixed at my local shop, because I don't have the parts for these things. And now as you can see here, it's burnt and then the screen is not working because of water damage. So once I now take this to the nearest shop that has parts, I can get it fixed, which is quite simple. So now this is a quick little tear down. Let me put everything back and then we'll reconvene. Here's the earpiece and the speaker and some sensors for you to, for the phone to know that you're receiving a call and you've answered. And there you have it. It's pretty easy and simple. You can follow along and you can do it yourself and replace some of these parts when you buy them yourself. So pretty simple. Anyway, it's been nice to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos in this channel. Like this video if you like it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook to keep notified with the latest videos on the channel. With that being said, I'm A7Tech and I'll see you guys in the next one.